Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to send a CIBC international wire transfer on mobile. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so here are the 5 steps to do it. So first of all, just log in into your CIBC Mobile Banking app and navigate to the payments or transfer section, and then select the option for international wire transfer or a similar option. It depends on the version of your CIBC Mobile Banking app. And then you have to enter the recipient's details, including their name, bank account information, and the address of the recipient's bank. And then just provide the transfer amount, the currency, and any notes or instructions for the transfer, and then just review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. And that's how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.